home shoppers and builders! Christmas is just around the corner, and Wilcon is here to give you some tips on how to design your dining tables for the most awaited holiday feast. Here is a simple yet festive theme you can try for the holidays: the rustic contemporary theme. This design incorporates natural elements, highlighting the use of wood, leaves, and other organic elements to create an unfinished vibe. What makes it more interesting is the simplicity it showcases that can still capture a unique and wonderful result, making your home feel warmer and inviting. To start, prepare all your needs: white dinnerware, stamped glassware, and all other essential decorations. For the dinnerware, you can place white dishes with wooden plate chargers on top of a fabric or rattan placemat to achieve that rustic-looking setup you're aiming for. Place a neutral-colored cloth napkin decorated with a more unfinished-looking napkin ring, then place it on top of your plate for that added pop of seasonal color or texture. Then, place your utensils on both sides of your dishes. You can skip the fancy flatwares and opt for a more simple silverware. Place your stamped glasswares beside the plates, which can be used for red, white, and sparkling wines, or even as a water goblet for a more festive holiday feast. You can add some eye-catching statement pieces by placing candles and candle holders at the center of your table. Here, we used a candle holder with twine ropes wrapped around it to bring a more rustic vibe to the setup. Hype the Christmas vibe by adding some Christmas ornaments like pine cones for that raw and natural element. Then finish it up with some rustic-looking centerpieces and foliage to brighten up the vibe of your table setup. So there you have it, a stunning, rustic, contemporary-themed dining setup for the holidays. Shop all your needs for your dining setup at any Wilcon Depot and Wilcon Home Essential stores nationwide, or shop with our Browse, Call and Collect or Deliver and Wilcon Virtual Tour service. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and happy holidays! See you in the next video!